Hey everybody, welcome to video number 2 of my tiny house office build. Last time I showed you the trailer, and this time I have finished up the floor. As you can see, it is ready to go, and I'm about to start building walls in just a few minutes. So this floor is just 2x4 framed, and I did 16-inch centers when I could for the cross members. A few of them are closer so that they lined up with the braces on the trailer so that I had more attachment points to the trailer. So I built the frame and then I sheeted it with what's gonna be my bottom of the office. And I ended up finishing that just with some varnish for protection, and then flipped it over. So I built that as though it was the top, and then I flipped it over, and then I bolted it down to the trailer. For bolting it down, I used 3/8 inch lag bolts. They are sunk through the trailer frame and into the wood. I think the ones that were going through the 4-inch box steel of the trailer were 7 inches long, so they got a good 3-inch grip into my floor. And then some of the braces were just pretty thin, and I used 4-inch screws for those, 4-inch lag bolts. I ended up with 25 attachment points on the various cross members of the trailer. I think that should be pretty sturdy. I started with 1/4-inch lag bolts and quickly found out that they were too small and switched to 3/8 lag bolts. Flipped over, bolted down, and then I insulated it just with standard 2x4 wall insulation, and then sheeted it. I sheeted it with 1/2-inch OSB, which I may regret later because it does feel a little soft in a few places. If I had it to do again, I would probably do 5/8. But if it is a problem, I'll just put another thin layer of maybe 1/4-inch plywood or something after I've got my walls built. So anyway, the floor is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I screwed it all so that it would hold together in motion instead of nailing it. So that takes a little bit more time. But other than that, pretty straightforward, and I'm excited to start building walls. So be sure to check out my next video to see the next step of the process. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see what's going on, and let's keep seeing what this thing turns out like.